One more time.
Wait, hold on. I might have fixed it.
No.
Here we go. I'll raise the pressure a little bit. Is that alright? That didn't hurt?
Clay,
Here a little bit, but
don't fuck him up, man.
Where's it supposed to be? Hold on.
Ready? Did it knock it out? Knocked your breath out, but that is the hiccups gone.